Indiana Tech, Grand Valley, two Loyola teams.
Let's go, Mike! Come on, Mike!
Teams, don't forget to clean up after yourselves. If you see debris on the infield, please pick it up.
Come on, baby. Kick it, kick it. Kick it. Let's go, Jake! Here we go. Go, Jake! He's right behind you!
Come on, Jake! Come on, Jake!
Attack here.
Hold him off, Jake! Hold him, hold him, hold him! Okay, go. Go. No, 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 no! There you go, Jake! There you go. Don't let him pass you.
Very
Don't let him pass you!
competitive third leg here. Loyola.
Go, Jake!
Good hand up, good hand up. Get a hand up.
Let's go, Declan!
Come on, Deck! Come on,
Go,
Deck!
Deck!
Big. Original qualifying standards 319 for Division II.
319 for Division II. Go, Declan!
Loyola en route to a very fast winning time, somewhere in the vicinity of 3:15
Wow.
or better.
Go, Deck!
Extraordinary Grand Valley.
Come on, Deck!
Take it, Deck!
319 the provisional qualifying standard. 313 for Loyola. Smoking. 317 Grand Valley achieves provisional qualifying standard. It's extraordinary running for November the 30th.
Yeah.
Get the board on real quick. If we get the board real
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, yeah. I get it, I get it. $313.3. Holy smokes.
Final heat and final event.